Hello friends, hope you are fine. Today I show you how to do bookmark live class. Okay, one of the customer give me to do the bookmark. Okay, so I give you the live practical how to do bookmark. So I bookmark the client one is dot dot org. Okay, so how to do it I show you. Client give me this one. Okay, so I have to bookmark this one. So first of all, I click here in submit. I click submit button. Okay, it's take time. On the other hand, we have to know if you want to bookmark, you have to be sign up first. Okay, so in this case, you have to create an account. So click sign up. Click sign up. Then after that, your nickname. Okay, then your full name. Okay, then your email address, phone number. If you have a phone number, you give it. Okay, then your job title. What is the job title? Then your company name, then your company size, company name. Okay, then I am not robot. Click here. Then create account. Okay, it says nickname Rana is similar to it. Okay, so nickname Rana is already created, so I have to use the different one. Yes, my account is created and sent it into the email. So I check the email now. Yes, email is coming. So I click in here. So they provide the password. So copy the password. So after that, we have to press in a login option. So your nickname, then your password, then login. Okay, it says there is a problem. So how to fix? Okay, so I have to press the reset password, then create a new one. Okay, so change the login preference. Friends, my account is already created, so I click the submit button now. So I click the submit button. So you have history. You have to create the history. One of the customer give me the title. First I need to give the title. This is the title. It's not copy in. So everything is put in. First I give the story, then you scoop means is description. You give the description, then you link. Okay, so then it's you have to click the preview button. Yes, my preview is like that. So there is a captcha. Prove yourself. Okay, it is not robot. So then okay, then click submit button. You have to click the submit button. Okay, your submit story and slot. So thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So if you want any more video, please your comment box. Thank you very much.